What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing something that I've noticed hasn't really been discussed. I haven't seen a single video on how to do it, so I'm going to make one. So those of you who have a 4T65E transmission, I believe the pump shaft is the same between the regular 65E and the HD version, so this will include both of those. Anyways, those of you who are wanting to upgrade your pump shaft because you're doing some engine upgrades, making more power, and as all of y'all know or should know, pump shafts, input shafts, all that, they're kind of junk once you start making quite a bit of power. So I'm going to show you how to press off the bushing that goes around your pump shaft. It's what goes on the end. I'll show you real quick. You can see there. You can see the machine part right here, or the pressed on part. That's where it was pressed on at. This is the old shaft, and this is the new shaft, the chromoly shaft that I received from ZZP, and this is the part that I'm talking about right here. This is the part that gets pressed on, right? I was wondering how to get this pressed on and off these shafts, and I couldn't find a single thing. I was worried that I would have to get like a machine, like a cheap Harbor Freight press or something, press it off. It's actually not on that tight, honestly. I'll grab it again. But anyways, with it being on your stock shaft, Anyway, I'm losing my mind. The fitting, the bushing, trying to find the right word. The bushing is not on there very tight. So what I did, since I'm replacing my input shaft as well, which is highly recommended, by the way, if you're making any more power than stock, honestly. This is the stock input shaft. And I use this to slide onto that bushing, and I used an extra socket as well. I put it on top, and I just used the hammer and I beat on it pretty much. But I'm gonna show you how I did it on this one. So this is my new shaft. I already got it pressed on, as you guys see. Now, like I said, this isn't very difficult, but I'm gonna try to set this up here. But have it like that. And by the way, when you go to put this back on, these slots right here, they go long side, not the other way. Otherwise you're going to have some problems. So I just took my input shaft, or if you're not replacing your input shaft, you don't have it out or anything like that, then just use a piece of tubing that's about the same size. But anyways, just slide it on. As you can see, it fits on there pretty good. And basically just put another socket on top. I'll show it with this one. This wasn't the right socket. This one's a little bigger than what I used. But just put it on there and just hit the top with a hammer a few times, and that just pops right out. Like I said, it's not on there like super tight. So, but yeah, and then when you go to put it on, make sure that you put it on the same, again, slot side through down like that. You want to make it to where it's even. I'll show you that. This is the part that it was on. You can see the part where it was pressed on at. I'll set these side by side roughly. You want them the same amount on the shaft on this end. You want to get that pretty even. The bottom of this pressed on bushing right here, or whatever it's called, I looked up this shaft on Triple Edge Performance, and they called this a bushing, so that's what I've been calling it. But the bottom of that will go right here on the stock shaft. The chromoly shaft that you buy, I bought this from ZZP, like I said. It's just one solid piece. There's no machine grooves in it, nothing like that. So basically just, I flipped the input shaft over. Basically did the same thing. Put it on like that. Got plenty of space now. I just hit it right here and just push it down until you get it really, really close. They're not very even right now, so it looks off, but I got it pretty much dead on. So I just wanted to make a quick little video because I've seen there's nothing really on this. So that's how you do it. And if you watch my channel, you know that I'm rebuilding my transmission right now, as you see, and I have a 70mm going on my motor right there. It's pretty much together on my Grand Prix. So if y'all are interested in that, then check it out. I got my parts all over the place, brand new torque converter. But yeah, that's how you do the pump shaft, guys, on a 4T65E. This works on the regular transmission and the HD transmission. So thanks for watching, guys. Give it a thumbs up, like the video. So thanks.